Hey guys!
Welcome to the vlog.
Welcome to the vlog! So,
If anyone's there and what time it is when we get there.
Okay, so pretty much we're on Batchwaung Lake.
Batchwaung Lake.
Batchwaung.
Alright, so we're at camp now for the first day. We came here last year and we named it Mouse Island because we realized that there was a mouse scurrying around. So hopefully there's no mouse here this year. It's a fairly small island, so see it's a little bigger than normal, or than last year, but I mean bigger than normal, but not too big as in squirrels and bigger predators and stuff. But it's pretty nice. Not the greatest campsite, but hey, there's a couple blueberries still. Not very many though. Hopefully save some of those for breakfast tomorrow, or whatever we have. Pretty nice. So this is the main area, and our tent was there last time. So start setting up camp and stuff. Do a little view here. This is a pretty sick view from up here. Dad's just packing up all the food and stuff. And the tent's gone, all our stuff's gone, the hammocks.
So we're going into Little Batchwaung Bay. We just got out of Batchwaung Bay, Big Batchwaung Bay.
Batchwaung Lake.
Batchwaung Lake. And yeah, I don't know what time it is.
Just after 10.
Just after 10. Yep, we're on the waters.
Oh. So we've been paddling for like 2 hours and my butt was hurting, was so sore. We're having lunch here. Oh boy. We're failing, boys. Yeet.
What?
Maybe just wait this time until we're ready. Go. Okay. Alright.
Okay, with the food bag. Alright, Dad, see it. Yeah, boy! So we're eating lunch in this nice little cove. Pretty nice looking. Really nice.
Where are my socks?
Really, Dad, because you have data here. Yep. So basically, this is how you make lunch on a canoe trip. You have garlic naan, cheese, and double chips. Dad, what are you having? Just cheese in yours?
Cheese right now.
Lucas having a car milk. So we're gonna eat lunch and enjoy the view up in here, you know. Oh. All packed up, ready to go soon. Yeah. So we had to come through here. It was a little rocky, hard to maneuver through, but we got it done. Just a nice little cove here. I'm sure a lot of people come through here though, because it's one of the main ways to get big vlog boy.
All right. Pickerel Narrows.
Yep,
Joshua's in the back. Louie's in the front. Rocking it.
Look, you're on the wrong side again.
I'm taking a break. All right.
It's under 4, so I think it's gonna rain. I was gonna take a nice size guess. Go keep filling up the water before we head under the tarp, which we just set up, and eat some supper, and then probably hang out in the tent for the evening. But you never know, it could still be a nice evening. Stuff like this happens all the time, storms. But yeah, it definitely looks like it's starting to rain over there. Looks pretty cool on the lake. He's eating some chips and we're making some taco salad for supper.
All right.
So it's evening time now. Turned out to be a really calm evening. Really nice. Dad and Luki are already in the tent. Dad decided not to go in the hammock this time because it was really windy. But apparently it's not anymore. And the rain. Thought it might rain again, but yeah, it might still. Not sure, but it's a really nice evening anyway, so enjoy the evening and play some games maybe. So we'll see you guys in the morning. So thunderstorm a lot last night, basically just thunder and lightning most of the night. And now this morning the tent started peeing on me.
Oh, my. A little dripping.
A little dripping boy. So me and Dad, Lukey's been fishing for a while.
Caught it.
You did. We'll say you caught it.
And then me and Dad almost caught a fish each. And then we saw a boat that said rescue. And last night Dad accidentally pressed the SOS button on the inReach. So he's like, ah! And so they came and they're just checking permits and stuff for the first time since Dad's been here. How many times have you been here?
I don't know, 4 or 5 times.
Yeah, so they came, made sure everything was good and stuff.
I caught it.
We are making some binoc.
I gotta make a little more.
Was that thunder or just Lukey? So me and Dad just played cribbage. Apparently Lukey doesn't like games now. Still being weird in the hammock.
Soccer games.
Soccer games.
Look at the trees.
So, this is the pack up stuff. 40 pack up is just all hanging on the ground so you can put it in your bag properly. And yesterday, when we were getting the fish, we were coming back on the slidey rocks. I was slipping and it went up past my knees and I was slipping and I was holding onto the canoe. I almost slipped in and my dad was concerned about my jacket getting wet. It's kind of funny. They're just cleaning up in the tent. Not sure what they're doing. Kind of interesting. How's your back going?
What's that?
How's your back going?
Too bad.
Lukey, how many layers do you need there, bud? Yeah. So it's gonna be a cooler day, but that's not bad either.
Food barrel.
So pretty much right now we're just about hitting the portage. Are we in Pine Portage Bay?
Yeah.
We're in Pine Portage Bay.
Show the portage.
The portage is just ahead. And pretty much after we're doing this portage into Dory.
Yep.
We're going into Dory after this portage. And then we'll be in Dory. So yeah.
Do you remember that ever? It's metal, I think. Possibly. Alright, so we found this. I don't know what this is exactly, but it's some metal. It's pretty cool. This looks like a metal wheel here. It's kind of interesting. Alright, so we just did the portage. We're now in Dory Lake. I'm now in the middle for the first time. There's a beaver lodge right about there. Lukey's paddling.
Nice.
And the mosquitoes are starting to get bad because it's like swampy in this area. Probably be like that most of the day until we get to sturgeon. And then another portage, it's a little longer, probably 600 meters or so, coming up right past the campsite we were at last year. So we're gonna paddle and go do that portage. Alright, we just finished portage from Dory into Twin Lakes. Twin Lakes is right here. It's a pretty nice little area. We're gonna have lunch here. It's almost noon, so we're just gonna eat some lunch. Alright, we're back in the river. That was an interesting beaver dam.
We are much lower now.
So we're now in Sturgeon Lake. It's a pretty big lake. Not sure if we're gonna camp here tonight or not, but probably. So we're just gonna keep canoeing for a little while.
So, okay, right now we're going pretty fast. There's some hard rapids right there. We're in
Other side.
Russell Rapids right now, I'm pretty sure. They're paddling hard. We're right beside some rocks. looks like we're probably gonna make it. Hopefully.
Other side. Other side. Good. Good.
So
Awesome.
yeah.
Okay. Good. Hard right. Little rock. Okay, good. Keep going. Oh boy. Go hard now. Ah!
Reese got wet GoPro. Okay.
Yeah, boy.
I just went through that.
Oh, that was the way to go.
Well, now we're pretty wet, huh, GoPro?
Oh yeah.
That was fun. So bye.
Let's just hanging up our sleeping bags because we haven't really got sun since the first day.
Air things out a bit.
To air things out. So yeah, I've been stepping out. I've been beef burritos with cheese. Look, he's still in the hammock. So we're gonna eat those straight away.
It's hard to get out.
We're about to see the first real sunset we've seen so far this year.
It's true.
Except on Mouse Island, but it was like no, not in the open.
Oh, that log's kind of just hanging out there.
Cool. Did a beaver strip it or whatever it was called?
There actually are a lot of dead trees on this island. Way over there.
Dad? How
There's
would a beaver
tons.
do this?
So there.
Yeah,
Did the beaver come here?
except for those dumb clouds. That's the island we attempted to go to, but there's no landing, really. Well, there was a mini campsite, but it was pretty trash. This one's pretty nice.
Let's go up there, brother.
So yeah, check out the nice sunset.